script by Jason Reitman. We're looking at a runtime today of about an hour and 49 minutes. But before we get underway, I have just a few announcements to make. The cell phones and personal electronic devices be switched off and stowed for the duration of our film. This includes any gadget which makes noise or has a glowing screen. Should you need anything during our film, our staff will be happy to assist you in our lobby, where you will find fresh hot popcorn and soda for as little as $2, as well as copies of Walter Kern's novel on which today's film is based. In the event of an emergency, such as a water landing in the Grand Traverse Bay, exits are located at either side of the front of the main auditorium as well as the rear. There are also two exits located in the rear of the balcony. I'd like to take a second to tell you about our terrific membership program. In addition to helping us with the ongoing preservation and restoration of the State Theater, our members also receive discounted tickets and get first crack at special event tickets. If you'd like to join us, simply fill out a membership form in our lobby. This theater is volunteer run, and we certainly couldn't do it without your help. You can learn more about our volunteer opportunities for individuals and groups over at our website, statetheatertc.org, where you can also see a schedule of our upcoming films. I've just received clearance to roll film. Looks like the weather in our destination today is sunny with some broken clouds. We'll try to have those clouds fixed for you before we arrive. Meanwhile, on behalf of the projection crew, the filmmakers, and the ground crew, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.